I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Xeno version 2, 4 or later and the proper runtime installed. Once done, open Xeno and enable Auto Execute in Preferences, then grant file system access so Xeno can read scripts. Next, move your primary script into the /Xeno/auto folder and set ownership and permissions to 755. This ensures the engine can run it. Make sure file names follow the required pattern auto name, JS or Py, so Xeno detects them automatically, and you now configure how Auto Execute runs the script. Choose triggers like onStart, cron schedule, or specific event hooks and link the trigger to your file. Then set sandbox constraints, limit CPU percentage, memory in megabytes, and a sensible timeout in seconds to prevent runaway processes. Once those are defined, map environment variables and securely inject secrets from the Xeno vault. This keeps credentials out of the code. Finally, save the rule set and run a dry run to validate permissions and runtime behavior before enabling. You finish by enabling detailed logging and setting retention to at least 7 days so you can inspect failures. Then start the Auto Execute rule for a real run, monitor logs and output in verbose mode, and watch resource graphs to confirm limits hold. If execution fails, check file permissions and ownership first, then confirm runtime version matches the script interpreter, and that vault tokens are valid. If problems persist, rerun in dry run with debug, enabled to capture stack traces and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.